Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing yet another squishy tutorial because I'm trying to get back into making squishy tutorials again, and I'm trying to upload just a little bit more often on my channel again. And the idea I have for this squishy tutorial is actually an idea that I've had for quite a few weeks now, because I recently got this bag of glass dragon eyes. Let's see, oh, it's already open. And I got these off of eBay. You may notice that one's missing. It's because I've already used one. And how I came across these was actually when I was on holiday in Wales just a few weeks ago. And, excuse me, and one of the days we went to this art gallery and I saw this sculpture there that had these really beautiful glass eyes on it, and they looked a lot like this except they were slightly bigger, and I just could not stop looking at the eyes. I just thought they were just so beautiful. I just absolutely loved the colour in them, so I thought maybe I'll try and look for something similar on eBay. So I went on to eBay and I just typed in like glass dragon eyes or something like that, and this is what came up. And there was actually a lot on there. There was loads of different designs you could choose from. And I got this pack, which comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separate pairs of eyes. Sorry, I had to count them. And as you can see, they're all different and they're all so pretty and very realistic looking. And again, these are glass. And yeah, my idea for these was to create some dragon eye mirrors, and actually have one here that I've made already that I can show you as an example. So here is what it looks like. It's squishy, of course. And then the eyelids, I also used foam for this as well, just to make the eye look even more realistic. I absolutely love how it looks. I think it turned out so good. I think I made the scales on this a little bit too, like the lines are a little bit too thick, but that's fine. This is only my first attempt. And yeah, as you can see, there's a mirror inside. Now, I painted this one a dark red colour. So yeah, this is the idea that this is the idea that I came up with for these. And I think in this video I'm going to be making 2. And if they turn out good, I'm probably going to put them up for sale on my Etsy, because I'm hoping that these will do well on there. And I'm really excited to be making more because I've still got quite a few eyes here, and also ones here that look more like cat eyes. And also, this is really simple to make as well. It doesn't really take that long to make. So yeah, enough talking now, and let's just get started with the tutorial. once they're all finished. And I absolutely love how these turned out. I think they look so cool. So first of all, here is the one that I made in this tutorial, and I used this eye that has all of these orange, red and yellow tones in it, and then I painted this one blue. Also quite slow rising as well. And then I just used a darker blue for the scales. And here is the mirror on the inside. I really like the colour of this one. And then here is the second one that I made, and I decided to paint this one gold because it's been a while since I've used gold paint on a squishy. And for this one I used this eye that has all these, that has like this light blue colour. I'm sorry, I'm finding it hard to explain it. And it also has a few yellow tones as well, it looks like. Sorry, not easy to see on camera. And then I just used gold again for the scales, a slightly different tone of gold if there is such a thing. And again, very slow rising. And since I didn't have any gold felt, I just used a strip of yellow felt to join the two pieces together. And again, here is the mirror on the inside. Yeah, this one is really squishy, as you can see. And again, I did make the scales a little bit too thick on both of these again, but I actually prefer how these look a bit more compared to the first one that I made. So again, here it is, and I think this one would have looked just a little bit better if I used like a darker red for the scales instead of using brown. But yeah, I could probably just like work on the scales in the future, because I'm definitely going to be making more of these. So I can work on making the scales a lot thinner. But still, I think these look so good. And also, I will try to link below the same dragon eyes that I got from eBay. I'll try to link below the exact ones that I got. But again, these are very easy to find on eBay. You just need to type in glass dragon eyes, and there's going to be so many options that will come up. There's just so many different colours and designs that you can choose from. And as you can see, I've still got quite a few in here, so I'm definitely going to be making more of these squishies. So I'll try to link those below so that you can go and get them for yourself if you want to. And also, both of these are now going to be up for sale on my Etsy, and I'm not really sure how much they're going to go for yet. Probably £8, but again, not sure yet. But But yeah, if you are interested in these, they will be up for sale on there once this video goes up. And yep, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. And as always, please feel free to request any more squishy tutorials you would like me to do in the comments below, because I'd love some more ideas from you guys. And also please click thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And again, please go and check out my Etsy and also my Instagram as well, which is linked in the description box below. And I really hope you like these squishies, because I absolutely love how they look. And yep, that is it. So I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.